This video will show you how to use the Bioelectrical Impedance Analysis machine that you've received. This is the BIA, or the Bioelectrical Impedance Analysis machine. Yours may be a newer model, but all the parts should be comparable. This right here is the analyzer itself with an on button, and then you get the resistance and the reactance number, which we will go over once I do the demonstration. This is what the packaging looks like for the electrodes that you'll receive. They're basic electrodes, and you'll see these more clearly when we do the demonstration. This cord is what will connect the electrodes that are put on the person to the analyzer machine. You also have some instructional cards that will show you the setup as well as the parts of the analyzer. There also should be, brief instructions on the back of each card. It is also good to have a backup battery for your analyzer, and it takes a 9-volt battery. This segment is going to show you how to hook up the hand of the patient. You want to find the bony parts of the wrists and put the electrode in the middle with the tag facing out. Then you also want to put the second electrode on the middle finger, like that, with the tag facing out. To connect the cords to this, you want the red cord with the red connector at the wrist, the black connector at the finger, like this. This segment is going to show you how to hook up the foot of the patient. You want to find the ankle bones of the malleolus and find the fleshy part in between and put the electrode with the tag facing out. The second electrode will go on top of the foot near the second and third toe with the tag facing out. The cords for the foot are going to be black, and you'll have a red and a black connector. The red connector goes on the ankle, and the black connector at the toe. So now what we're going to do is actually set up a patient. So you should have your electrodes, your analyzer, and your cords. The electrodes go 2 on the right hand and 2 on the right foot. So if you take the person's hand, you want to put one on the middle finger with the little tag facing outward. The second one should be placed on the wrist. If you feel both bones on the sides of the wrist, you want the electrode in the middle of those 2 bones. On the foot, the first electrode will go on the top of the foot, right in front of the second and third toe. The second electrode will go in between the malleolus of the ankle with the tag facing outward, like that. The cords both have red and black connectors, and then one has a red string and one has a black string. The red string always goes on the hand with the red connector on the wrist, the black connector on the finger. The black cord always goes on the foot with the red on the ankle and the black near the toes. On your analyzer, there's a red dot both on the connector and the machine. So you want to line up the red dots and plug it in. Once you have the patient hooked up, it should look like this. So once you have your pen and paper ready, you can turn on the analyzer by using the on button. The numbers will fluctuate and you have to quickly read the numbers where it's somewhere in the middle. This is fluctuating between 630.4 and 630.9. So what I'm going to choose is 630.6. To get the reactance number, you have to hit the reactance button. This will actually pause a little bit longer, and this one paused at 76.9. Once you've done that, all you have to do is unplug it. The machine will turn off automatically, and then you can unhook the patient. Once you have the foot and the hand connected, you're going to look for the red dot on the connector and the red dot on the machine to make sure you've lined it up correctly. And it plugs in like so. With your piece of paper and your pen ready, you're going to turn on the machine and wait for the numbers to fluctuate. This one is fluctuating between 641.2 and 641.5. So we're going to pick 641.3. You want to pick somewhere in the middle of the two fluctuating numbers. If you wait too long, the numbers will start fluctuating higher and higher and you won't have an accurate reading. This is the resistance number. The reactance number, you have to press the reactance button, and it will actually pause slightly. 80.6 is where it's paused. Now that you've gotten the analysis from the patient, you have the resistance and the reactance number. In order to do the full analysis within the software program, you will also need the patient's age, gender, height, and weight. Please refer to the document that was sent to you with the screenshots on how to analyze the numbers in the software.